Resilience, meaning, so what does resilience mean? Resilience refers to the ability to recover, adapt, and bounce back from difficult or challenging situations. It's the quality that helps people overcome adversity, such as hardships, stress, or setbacks, and continue to move forward. People who are resilient don't let obstacles stop them. They find ways to cope and keep going. After losing his job, his resilience helped him find a new opportunity and stay positive. Let's look at more examples to help you understand how resilience is used. Her resilience allowed her to recover quickly after the difficult breakup. The resilience of the community after the hurricane showed how people can come together to rebuild. Developing emotional resilience helps you manage stress and stay strong through tough times. In these examples, resilience is about the ability to adapt and recover when faced with challenges, whether personal, emotional, or physical. You might be wondering, when should I use the word resilience? You use resilience when you're talking about someone's mental or emotional strength to overcome challenges and difficult situations. It's commonly used to describe people who handle adversity well and find ways to persevere despite setbacks. For example, if someone has faced hardship but still manages to stay positive and keep working towards their goals, they are showing resilience. Her resilience was remarkable, as she continued to chase her dreams despite facing many obstacles. Quick recap. Resilience means the ability to recover, adapt, and bounce back from difficult or challenging situations. It's about not giving up when facing adversity, but instead finding ways to cope and continue moving forward. You use resilience when describing someone who has the strength to handle setbacks and keep working toward their goals. Now you know what resilience means and how to use it in different situations.